Alright, hello. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to install both Java and Eclipse. And the purpose of this will allow you to write programs at home. Java is just a language that we write in, and so you need certain files to be able to write programs in the language of Java. So that's what we'll download first. And then Eclipse is our editor. And remember, an editor is just the program we use to write our programs. And it's basically just a place for typing text or commands. And the commands are basically just like a Word, like what you type in a Word document or something like that with specific formatting and all that stuff. So the editor is just where we like write our programs in. And I would do Java first. So basically just do a search of download Java is what I did here. And then it should just be the first link like this. And then you just got to pick your operating system. So you'd be Windows or maybe Mac OS. Or if you happen to be a Linux person, you could do that. But probably just Windows or Mac. And then just click on it. It'll download. And then you just run this sort of exe. And then just follow the instructions. And the only thing, I'm not going to do it because I already have it. But just, you might want to watch where it's installed. You might need that later, but probably not. But if you want to change where it goes, you can put it there. But basically, I just hit install and do all the defaults. I don't actually think you'll need where it's installed later, but just in case, kind of watch where it is. And once you've got Java installed, then just type, I just typed install Eclipse here or download Eclipse. Either one should probably work. Okay, and then it gives me some, helpful tips for it here. But basically, I'm going to go to this first link for the install Eclipse. And again, you got to pick your operating system. So I'd pick Windows or whatever, pick your right operating system. And then they have steps here, which is kind of nice. So if you look through these steps, you'll get this file. Once it's downloaded, it's in exe, you run it. Okay, and then you do want to do here, I would just do the first one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. There's a bunch of other options here, but do this one that's actually highlighted here. All right, and then you just click install and launch it, and then I think it just kind of does its stuff, and then it'll be going. And then once you have that set up, you should be able to find the menu entries and shortcuts and get it up and running and see if you can get it to work. All right, and then I have another video that talks about how to make your first program, but this is just for getting Eclipse and Java installed. Okay, and I just wanted to show you quick on Schoology. Once you've got Java and Eclipse installed and ready to go, try to see if you can get a program to run. And so here's a folder on Schoology that has another video about how to create your first program. So that'd be the next step, is to create a class file and see if you can get it to actually run. So follow those instructions next after you've got it installed. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.